and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to do a bit of an experiment. You know, I really like those taco bowls. You know, when you go to like a Mexican restaurant and they have the taco bowls where they fill it with the burrito fillings and such. And so I'm like, can I make one of those at home? And so that's what I'm going to try today. I've been researching it, and everyone keeps using like a ton of foil and a bunch of pans, and I question, is that really necessary? And so I decided I was going to try this, where I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the burrito, or did I say burrito? I meant tortilla, and then I'm going to drape it over a can. I want to say beer can. I want to drape it over a pop can and see how it comes out. Alright, so I have another one here. Let me dry it off. And so I'm going to use two different sizes. And so let me take this off. It's not sitting straight. Okay, and I'm going to put foil on this one as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and drape this one with foil as well. And I'm going to put it in a 450 degree oven. Alright, so there they are in the oven cooking. So the one on the right's kind of taking the shape. The one on the left, the one on the thinner can is kind of slipping off. The one on the wider can, it's staying on there pretty well. Let me close this. Alright, so they took about 6 minutes in the oven. So let me go ahead and remove them. This one came out a little weird. It's much puffier. Can you see that? I mean, you could still put a salad in there. And then this one, I'm going to go ahead and move this one over here for now. And then this one, uh-oh, kind of stuck to the can. Ooh, they're hot. Alright, this one came out a little different too, but I like it. I mean, you could serve salad and guac in here. I don't know. So I would still use these. I like these. So, what do you think? Would you try this at home? Do you think I had as good results as others with just using the cans? So I do see that they're still kind of soft, not as crispy. So I think I'm going to put them back in the oven just on their own like this for just a few more minutes. Alright, so I put them in the oven a little bit more. So they're not quite as crisp as I hoped, but they're still pretty crispy, and I think once they cool they'll get even more crispy without burning. So what do you think? I think they turned out pretty good just using a pop can to make the bowls. You know, I didn't use as much foil. You know, I could see putting either sweet or savory in here. You know, taking and putting some guacamole in here, or some salsa, or you could even put desserts in there, you know, some fresh fruits and a little whipped cream. That would be a sexy dessert. Alright, so let me know in the comments, would you try this? So, as I said, this is just, you know, a quick experiment to see if we could use a pop can to make a tortilla bowl. And I think it's a success. What about you? Alright, let me know in the comments.